morning, guys. I'm Jen.
I'm Wiley.
Welcome back to Altruistic FarmStead. You want to tell them what we're doing today?
We are starting our walk-in cooler. As you guys know, we was donated, or most of you guys know, we was donated all the panels and things for a walk-in cooler about a year ago. We've been waiting for really the money to get everything else done. We needed concrete slab, we needed, you know, the air conditioner, we needed a CoolBot, time, all that good stuff.
Electrical wire and lights and stainless steel countertops, tools, all of that stuff. And I feel like we finally have gotten to a point where we have most of what we need. We might find some things along the line that we're going to need, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it.
We can definitely at least get it started, get it all built up. It's going to be the smaller stuff as far as doing electrical and stuff like that we might come across we need.
We are going to build a 12 by 12 walk-in cooler.
Yep.
And as many of you know, we have a small farm here in central Oklahoma, and we raise our own animals for meat. So in Oklahoma, it's really, you only have a couple days a year where you can process an animal outdoors. And so last year we processed 5 hogs, and it wasn't enough to help serve our mission for feeding the homeless. We could only do the processing when the weather was just right. Now with this walk-in cooler, we will be able to process animals whenever we need to, because we will have a safe, controlled environment to do that in.
Yep. So we had an awesome YouTube subscriber donated a CoolBot for the build, and another follower of ours, JB Conway, she is absolutely amazing lady. If you guys don't know her, she supports the community, and she's just a very, very big supporter of the community, and she's an awesome lady. But she donated the concrete for the concrete slab. We went and picked it up yesterday, and we figured we probably better get it mixed and on the ground before
it rains this weekend.
Before it rains this weekend, and ruins everything. We are breaking ground today.
We're gonna build a pad for it, and then gotta build forms, pour the concrete, and that's what we're hoping to get done today.
We'll see.
We'll see.
Maybe at least get everything ready to pour concrete tomorrow.
Yes, because we have to go pick up a concrete mixer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I ain't mixing 120 bags of concrete by hand. Sorry.
Yeah, in a wheelbarrow, that would be pretty tough. So yeah, we're gonna.
You'd be doing that.
No. Michael would be doing that. Michael's back here on the tractor right now, breaking up the ground so that we can level it out, and we're gonna have to run a drain pipe, because we're gonna put a drain in the floor. So we got to put that in the ground and whatnot. And yeah, so stay tuned. There'll probably be multiple parts to this video.
Alright y'all, got our forms set. I haven't done the front first because I got to haul dirt in to level all this out. But we've got a center drain, so we can just come in with a water hose and wash everything.
And we've also got a stainless steel sink, commercial sink with 45-inch long cabinets on both sides that we're going to put over here against this wall. That way we can butcher on top of the stainless steel. And we've got a sink right there to wash in, tying everything together, letting it go out to drain, figure out what we're going to do past this point. But I've got to put a P-trap in here somewhere. I think I'm going to put it on down this way. But anyway, we just got to level things out and bring some dirt in, level the floor out, and start pouring some concrete now. So hang around. Hi guys. So end of the day here.
Finally.
We had to go to Seminole and pick up, I'm pretty sure Leonardo da Vinci designed and built this back in like the 16th century. So, but it's a concrete mixer. And
hopefully it's gonna save our lives tomorrow.
We'll see, because I don't want to have to mix all that concrete.
We're gonna
I
try
don't
to
know if you've seen it, but that's a lot of concrete.
We're gonna try to play Mel and Gary tomorrow.
Yeah.
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 Matter of fact, I think they need to come help us, because
Right.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, they should be professionals at concrete by now.
Right.
Yeah. So.
Anyway, so we got it all framed up. The drain that's going to be, well, it was intentionally, or it was going to be the center drain, but it's not quite center, if you can't tell. But it'll be fine. We'll just make it drain to it. That's all we got to do.
It'll be center-ish once
then
we put our sink over here.
Then the sink is going to be tapped in right here for a drain. In the morning, we're going to be having fun with the concrete mixer.
I don't think it's going to be much fun.
She's going to be having fun, because I'm just going to sit back and watch.
Good morning. Today is day 2 of our walk-in
cooler
build.
/ freezer build.
Yes.
Today's the hard stuff.
Yeah.
I'm glad she likes pouring concrete, because I get to sit here and watch.
We got our forms done yesterday, and we filled it in and leveled it. We got our drains in, our plumbing yesterday. And today, we're gonna have to use that big beast right there, that old ancient concrete mixer, and pour a lot of concrete. The reason we are pouring the concrete ourselves instead of just hiring it out and ordering a truck to come out is because doing it ourselves afforded us the ability to also buy the air conditioner we are going to need for this build. Had we ordered the concrete, we wouldn't have had enough funds left over to purchase the air conditioner.
Right.
So, we chose to do it the hard way because we will get that much closer to getting this thing done and completed and ready to use.
Let's get this party started.
Y'all help me. I need an excuse to get out of this. Here's the ancient concrete mixer that we are going to be using. We were told that it has been sitting for about 15 years.
Yeah.
And it still works.
But hey, we plugged it in and it works. That's all that matters.
It makes a lot of noise, but hopefully it is going to save us. It has 2 flat tires when we picked it up, and we had to dig it out of an overgrown field. But we got it here, and hopefully it'll be a lifesaver.
We'll see.
Hopefully that concrete mixer will work pretty good, because this is actually 2 full pallets of concrete, but our tractor isn't strong enough to unload a whole pallet of concrete, so we had to unload a bunch of it by hand, so it's on 3 separate pallets now. have to say for yourself?
I'm done. I'm ready to go into the air conditioner for a little bit.
So, we got our slab poured and done. And now it's just waiting until it dries.
Let it sit up. Yep. Probably going to have to sit out here and babysit it and make sure the ducks or the chickens or the goats or the pigs or the dogs or the kids or...
I didn't think of that. We probably do need to sit out here and babysit it.
I'm tired.
Can you see it on his face? It's been a hot day. I'm glad we started early.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because I wouldn't want to be out here right now doing all of it.
It actually went a lot better than I thought it would, though.
Between me, him, and Michael, it took about 3 hours.
Yeah, about 3 hours.
Probably, yeah. It ended up working out pretty good.
We was done just before noon. I mean, other than just troweling it out and making it look better.
Step 1 done. Solid foundation, check.
Time to start on walls.
But that'll be in another video.
Yeah.
Because we're not going to get to that today.
No.
Keep an eye out for future videos on this build because it will be happening soon.
Very soon.
Yep. Peace. See y'all on the next video.
And me.